Meaning of Dante Gabriel Rossetti.
Dante Gabriel Rossetti.
Dante Gabriel Rossetti.
Dante Gabriel Rossetti.
Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Dante Gabriel Rossetti was an English poet, illustrator, and painter who was a key member of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. He was born in London in 1828 and died in 1882. Rossetti's work is known for its lush, sensual style and its focus on medieval themes and imagery. He was also deeply interested in Italian literature and culture, and drew inspiration from Dante Alighieri's Divine Comedy. Today, Rossetti is considered one of the most important British artists of the 19th century, and his work continues to be celebrated for its beauty and originality.